How to turn on the SafeSearch filter in Google Chrome. What is up everyone? Today I'll show you guys how to easily turn on the SafeSearch filter. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Google Play Store and then simply download Google Chrome from here. Now, if you already have the app, make sure to update it to its latest version. Open it up and then tap on the three dots at the top right. Then go to Settings. Once you are on the Settings menu, you're going to have to find Privacy and Security. And once you head over here, under Security, you have your safe browsing. Currently, it's turned off, so in order to turn it on, tap on it. Then you can go ahead and click on the Standard Protection if you want it. Or if you want Enhanced Protection, you can select that as well. So what it does is it will protect you from dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions that's based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. You could also protect against sites, downloads, and extensions that are known to be dangerous as well. So go ahead and turn this to enhanced protection and then tap on OK. And once you go back, you have successfully turned on the enhanced protection for your search filters. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.